For those of you waiting for an ideal location at the Meadows in South Wayland, don't miss this elegant Preston unit. With its private, oversized deck and patio overlooking lush woods, this is the perfect setting for entertaining family and friends. Obviously enjoyed and cherished by its current owners, this bright and inviting home features cathedral ceilings with skylights and dramatic lighting which enhance the open living and dining room. On the main level as well is a master suite with multiple closets and a luxurious bath. Immaculate country kitchen with stainless steel appliances is a treat for any chef. The second level features a loft space with custom built-ins, a large second bedroom and bath, which could double as a master suite, as well as a cozy den or office and a spacious family room, which could accommodate visiting guests as well. All this in a tranquil park-like setting, convenient to commuter routes, boundless shopping, and restaurants. Affluent bedroom community of Boston, Wayland, Massachusetts rests midway between Worcester and Boston. Quiet and picturesque, this small town attracts a variety of families that work in the surrounding communities as well as Boston. The Sudbury River runs through the western half of the town, and there have been large preservation efforts to maintain the surrounding forests, marshlands, and fields. The town has been vigilant in protecting the neighborhoods, open spaces, and preserving its historical past. A national wildlife preserve and a lake are located in Wayland, which features a public beach. Although Wayland boasts a number of small shopping venues offering just about everything you could ever need, and despite its close proximity to the city of Boston and its ease of access to shopping, attractions, and nightlife, Wayland is known for its quiet, peaceful, community-like setting. Due to these characteristics, Wayland is home to many urban professionals.